fẹ́ bèrè mi lọ́wọ́ àwọn tèmi mọ̀ mi, they know me. I'm so silly. Anyhow, what's up? What's good? What's going on with you guys? Anyhow, Sha, I'm Mojy show, the one and the only. Every other Mojy show is a what? Is a counterfeit. Well, by the way, greetings to you guys, my Naija people all over the world. London, America, everywhere. China, India, Taiwan, Mexico, Puerto Rico, Cuba. Anyhow, Sha, you get it. I get it. Well, I'm doing this, right, for Nigerians out there, the ones that are outside Nigeria, in America and Giant, the ones that like to act all jandalized, or should I say yankelized or something. You know who you are. It's probably your mother or your father or your uncle, your sister, your auntie, even you yourself. I found the way they talk really, really funny. I know people that talk like that, and I just like to imitate them, which is what I'm doing right now. It's funny, and hope you enjoy it. Well, right now, I wanna tell you about my daughter, my very beautiful daughter. My daughter was born in a big hospital in Minnesota, in the United States. The hospital was beautiful, very big. That was why I gave birth to my daughter. When I gave birth to my daughter weighed about 20 pounds. Yes, 20 pounds. My daughter was very big. Because I hate a lot. I hate a lot of butter. With butter and bread, butter and this and butter and that. I hate butter a lot. So that was why my daughter was big. But by the way, well, my daughter growing up, she was very, very interesting. She was good. So, well, my daughter grew up. She turned 21. We had a big party. Oh, my daughter likes party. It was a big party with a lot of people from everywhere. Party till the next day. So, after my daughter's 21 birthday, she decided that she wanted to move to the city. So she moved to Port Harcourt. She left for Minnesota to go to Port Harcourt, Nigeria. That was when my daughter was living. She liked the city life. And then she met a man, her first, maybe fourth boyfriend. His name was Pira. Pira was very handsome. He was really ambitious. Pira has everything he wanna have. He got a house, a car. Pira got everything. Pira wanted to be a medical doctor. So Pira is going to school. My daughter is also going to school. So, they was enjoying life in the city. And my daughter, oh God, one thing that my daughter loves to do is the computer. Oh my God, my daughter loves the computer. 24/7, my daughter is on the computer. So she sent me picture of her and her boyfriend Pira in the city, how they're doing, where they go, take pictures. I enjoy them. I love my daughter. She's beautiful. And my daughter's favorite foods are mashed potato, sweet potato, butter, peanut butter. My daughter likes butter on bread, bora on yam, bora on beans, bora, 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 bora. My daughter loves bora. The spaghetti, oh, my spaghetti and meatballs. My, my daughter loves it. She can eat spaghetti from now to tomorrow. And on top of that, what I like my daughter for? My daughter don't like sweet things. She don't drink soda. She don't drink mineral. She don't drink juice. Five alive. NSC. Moe. No, my daughter don't drink all of that. She goes to a party. All she asks for is water. She goes to a restaurant. Water. My daughter drink all kind of water. Hot water, cold water, pure water, ice water, Ragolis water. Name it. Eva water, Poland water, everything. All kind of water. That's what you find my daughter to drink. My daughter don't wanna drink all those yeah things. No. So my daughter is very pretty, interesting, very beautiful girl. So I just decided to share it with you. And I hope you enjoy it and find my daughter very interesting. And water is very good for you. Drink a lot of water. It's good for you. Yes, 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 yes. That's me. Doing me. I don't have a daughter. I don't. It's just something any jandalized or yantilized Nigerian would say. I just decided to share with you. So yeah, stay tuned for more because I have more coming up. So my Naija people, get familiar with this face. It's Mojy Show. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good one.